2025 Prelim HPPS Paper 1 Booklet B. Question 25. PQRS is a straight line. The length of PS and PR are in the ratio 3:2. Now PS is here, okay, 3U. PR is 2U. Okay, from here we can easily tell that RS is 1U because 3U minus 2U will give you 1U, right? So now we have 2U and 1U. I'm going to remove this part, right? And the length of PR and QS are in the ratio 6:5. Now PR is 2U. But now I want to change it into 6U. Can we do that? Yes, we can. Now let's multiply by 3 to get 6U. But we have to multiply this by 3 as well, so it becomes 3U. Okay, and then PR is 6U, QS will be 5U. Okay, now let's delete this and rewrite it so that it's cleaner. This is 6U. Okay, now can you see that QR is now 5U minus 3U? So we know this is 2U. PQ will be equals to 6U minus 2U, and this will be 4U. Now we can easily solve our question. What is the ratio of the length PQ to RS? PQ is 4U and RS is 3U. Right, so our ratio is 4:3.